Today we have Lakshman with us, who's going to teach us work, power and energy. So Lakshman, what is work, power and energy all about?
Yeah, generally what we think of work per energy is work means if we lift some body, we say some work is done.
Right.
If we say something, we move from there to here. We say we consume some energy.
Okay.
Or else how much power. If you are doing an arm wrestling, you say how much wrestling you are doing.
Okay.
But generally in physical terms, the work power energy does not define that. So in this chapter mainly we discuss with the definitions of work, power and energy individually, and we will be deeply going into what work consists of and how many types of power is there.
Right,
and how
so
many times-
basically to do work
Yeah.
you need energy, and if you try to see how much energy or how much work did you do per
Yeah.
unit of time, it'll be power,
Yes.
right? But that's the basic definition.
Yes.
But in these next 2 hours, which is
Yeah.
quite advanced, and we're preparing our students for JEE Advanced and JEE Mains,
Yes.
what are the parts which we're going to learn from these 2 hours?
Yeah, in work basically we'll see firstly the definition and then we generally move to the energies. And in energy first we see what's kinetic energy, and then in kinetic energy how work energy theorem is derived, and we'll be seeing that. And then we go to the potential energy.
Okay.
After that we'll be seeing the law of conservation of energy.
Okay, so
where
I hear
we
a
generally
lot of energy, so we'll
Yes.
talk about a lot of energies.
Yes,
And-
basically, in JEE point of view, generally we get the questions based on energies itself. A single question does not depend just on the work or
Oh,
energy.
right.
It will be a mixed up thing. That's why we get on
Correct.
energy and
So
work.
normally when you get, I think what you're trying to say is when we'll get a question of work, power, and energy,
Yes.
it won't really be from specifically this chapter, but the concept of these chapters will be used, for example, in current electricity or in laws of motion to
Yes.
find out certain answers, or
Yes.
rotational motion. Right.
Yes.
Interesting. So I have actually an interesting question to ask you,
Yes.
which probably we don't have to answer right now, and our students could look out for its answer
Yeah.
while they're watching this particular video.
Yes.
So if I'm walking
Huh.
in a circle,
Okay.
what is my work done?
So it depends on the angular displacement, how much you are having and how much
So I
distance you are
started
moved.
from one point
Yes.
and I walked
Yes.
and I came back to this point. So
Yes.
how much is the work done?
So if according to physical terms, if you are coming to the same position, work done will be 0.
0, are you sure?
Yes.
But I spend a lot of energy. So are you saying that if I just keep walking in a circle, I don't have to eat food at all?
No, it's not like that. It's just a food for thought.
So I
According
think
to
there is
physical
a
terms.
catch there. I think I think it should not be 0, whereas he's
Yes.
saying it should be 0. So why don't you watch this particular chapter for next 2 hours and tell us whether it should be 0 or not?